Assalamualaikum. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch. The Asian countries, they have many beautiful culture and place, but in the other side, Malaysia is among the countries that has higher ocean pollution case. In Malaysia, the amount of plastic waste entering the sea will corrupt from 2010 to 2050, indicating the sea could contain more plastic than fish by the middle of the century. There are many causes that involve in this pollution. All the causes will be discussed based on news and fact in ocean pollution. There are various causes of ocean pollution in Malaysia. Some of them are sewage. The ocean may directly contaminated by waste or contaminated flow directly into the sea via wastewater, river or drains. This often occurs with the enters into the ocean sewage from mining firms. The release of other chemical nutrients in marine ecosystem will lower oxygen level, reduce plant life, and decreases water level quality itself. This seriously affects all phases of marine life, plant and animal. In Kuala Lumpur on 17 February 2020, an analysis of ASEAN worst ocean pollution showed that Malaysia individuals are the biggest consumer of plastic packaging, said WWF on Monday, urging the government to restrict plastic for single purpose and to cooperate with companies in financing the recycling push. The plastic report from the WWF looked at China, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Thailand, and Vietnam, who each year make up 60% of the estimated 8 million tons. It concentrates on household plastic packaging, which will most likely end up in the sea, and found that 27 million tons were used in all 6 countries in 2016, the latest year for which relevant information is available. System 002, nicknamed Jenny, is the ocean cleans up latest iteration of the project, featuring a larger scale cleans up system. It worked by directing a extension with 100 meter long artificial coastline to area of the ocean where plastic has accumulated. 2 vessels put the system 002 on each end, resulting in a U-shaped flexible barrier that collects the floating plastic into a retention zone. The vessel moves at about 0.75 meters per second, and the artificial coastline spans up to 1,800 meters. This system differently from the past proposal because it used a household sharp journey to town it along instead of letting the system float and be moved by the wind. Moreover, by improved wastewater management for the consumer, which have lacking access to control waste disposal facilities by developing and building a variable wastewater infrastructure. Untreated wastewater contains many pollutants such as patagon, plastic, and chemical substances. The toxic expose vector-borne disease and could pose a major risk to human and environmental health. And it can also create local food and water safe system by creating drinking water treatment system where necessary and ensure adequate system for drinking water. The solution is not only reduce the contamination of ocean by reducing plastic bottle in single use, but can also contribute to the absence of access to clean drinking water for 1 in 3 people around the world. There are some non-engineering solutions is reducing the use of plastic product. For the general information, plastic waste form the largest portion of ocean pollution. Out of the 260 million tons of plastic produced each year globally, approximately 10% end up in the ocean. The plastic then taken thousands of years to decompose, during which time it poses a terrible threat to life in the ocean. Thus, reduction in the use of plastic product could help in significantly reduce the rate of ocean pollution. Lastly, the non-engineering solution is reducing the energy. Our demands for energy is always rising as the population increases. A significant part of the energy is generated by petroleum. The ocean bed are made from this petroleum. Any spillage may harm marine life during the procedure. It does not only violate the marine ecological balance, but the procedure itself. Then we can also solve the problem of ocean contamination by control our energy use. Thank you for the